Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video showing my diet go-to snack jar. In this jar, I have it loaded with a bunch of snacks that are relatively healthy. I know fig bars do tend to have a lot of sugar, but we have a lot of other alternatives, gluten-free, whole wheat snacks. Because if you don't know, I have polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS for short, and that means I need to have a controlled amount of sugar, avoid white carbs, stick with some whole grain, whole wheat options, and it's really easy to want to grab something really unhealthy, something easy and just not the healthiest for you. And so I got this idea from a couple other YouTubers and thought, I should make my own go-to snack jar. When you're bored, hungry, or you need something quick on the run. And then the worst thing to do is go shopping at the grocery store when you're starving. So grab this, throw this in your purse, and you're good to go. I wanted to share with you also, I bought all these snackies from Rite Aid. They're usually $5 in the store, like Walmart, Target. Got these at Rite Aid. They were on sale for $1.99. So of course I had to stock up. So that's what I'm going to be working on right now. I'm going to empty these out so that they're at the top and the new stash can be on the bottom, because first in, first out, right? Okay, so I'm going to be working on that and show you guys through the process. Also, for those of you that may be asking, where did I get this beautiful, gorgeous, large jar? I did pick it up from Walmart in the glass home goods section. This was it was actually Target or Walmart, and this was about 20 bucks. There's some oil residue here, so I will be cleaning that up too. But this is pretty affordable. It's sturdy, and it has a nice secure lid. It suctions pretty well. Just be sure to test it when you're in the store, because some of them are like really loose, and it's just not going to keep your food that safe or fresh. So yeah, Target or Walmart, 20 bucks. me walk you through why I stacked it the way that I did. I always put the freshest goods, like the stuff that I just bought, on the bottom, because of course these are older, so they need to be consumed before these guys. Just makes more sense that way. I like to stack everything with the labels out and vertically, because this way I can see what kind of variety I have. If I'm being particularly picky that day, I can kind of pick and choose what I want without rummaging, and it just, you get the most storage in here if you stack them vertically, I find. Vertically or horizontally, as opposed to just chucking them in. So let's see. I chose some fiber ones because fiber keeps you fuller longer. I love the cheesecake flavors. This one is a coffee cake cinnamon one, so I'm really excited to try that one out. You can't go wrong with granola bars. They just keep you fuller longer with lots of protein. I showed you some made good chocolate chip cookies. They are gluten-free. I got these from Costco or Sam's Club. They came in a huge package for a really good deal. These protein bars are really good for before a workout or after a workout. Keeps you full really long. But generally, I don't like eating just pure protein bars because they tend to be really sweet and on the chalky side. So I'm almost done with those. Belvita. These are cookies or crackers, cookie crackers, if you will, made for diabetics. Because of my PCOS and how my insulin works, these work really good for that because of how the insulin is affected. You stay full for about 4 hours. Your body just processes it. It takes a while to process it. It tastes really good. You don't feel guilty eating them. And they come in 2 flavors, the cinnamon brown sugar and the blueberry. I personally like the cinnamon brown sugar better, and you get more for your buck for a better price. You get probably 2/3 the amount of this one for a little bit more expensive. So tasty, but not best value. Nature Valley. I'm trying to get away from Nature Valley because of the sugar intake. Still delicious. I love sweet and salty, but not the best for me. So I'm down to the last couple ones of those. And fig bars. I'm almost done with these. Yeah, I like labels out again, you know, seeing what flavors I have. We got some brownie, I believe. Yeah, plant-based. No high fructose corn syrup, which is really good, especially when you have a major sweet tooth like me. And yeah, that's my diet snack jar. Hope you guys liked watching this. I hope this video helped you. This is just something that I do. I don't always abide by this. I'm trying to be better about it, but if this is more like of content that you want to see, just let me know. Shoot a message down below or comment down below. You can tell I'm totally rusty. It's been 8 years. And yeah, let me know. Show some love, thumbs up, like, and put the bell for the alert. And I will see you guys later in the next video. Bye.